awaking in the morning to my cedar frame, the insulation of the ceiling. Luckily, my clothing can hang from it, so it's always warm in the morning. My feet need to breathe. Oh no, I forgot the lid off of my honey and my coconut oil. That's a bucket for my garage things. I always like the Yeti cooler. It is rated to fish off of. Most people won't let you stand on things for safety. And I use it to get out of my high bed. The warmest level, another level colder, and then another level colder. Sprinter door handles are no good, so you have to push them on the inside components, and it takes 2 hands. There it goes. The weather's frightful enough for boots like these. But let's go another level colder, shall we? The asphalt is cool, but let's get to some real earth. Burr.